Alright, welcome back to the INI Radio Show, INI TV. Whichever way I get this, whether I stream this on Spotify on the INI Unfiltered podcast, or you watch me on YouTube. You see me? So here what now today, say a 23-year-old woman get caught in a Guyana. You see me after them extract 70 plus pallets of cocaine from her vagina. Yes, it's a real thing. So, I'm gonna go to the news article and I'm gonna hear what go on right. So police arrested 23-year-old woman at the Eugene F. Korea International Airport on Saturday after search on her body revealed that she was carrying a stuffed condom filled with cocaine. The condom and its content were later extracted from her vagina. Police headquarters in a statement noted that the suspect was booked on a Caribbean airline flight BW215 destined for Barbados. What really happened is that police said a physical search was done after she was seen acting suspicious and a bulky package was removed. You see me? After them remove the bulky package, them also she confessed to swallowing 73 pallets. So them have to take her to the medical facility to extract that. So people, I don't know the means that the people them will go through to get the almighty dollar that I want. So anyway, we want to go down a town because everybody by now see the video with the policeman we get catch on the phone. Yeah. All in the car but him no care. Him no care here. So what go on now, say squad dead in him uniform and everything, badge number, show, and them him get catch on the phone. We are gonna go down a town to hear what the people are say about the policeman. We realize enough people are side with him. Must say Yannick Kirby Diva post up something on her Instagram earlier this morning. You see me like it's a twerking video like she in her couch and she said she there watch the policeman video. So everybody have them own memes. You see me, everybody have them variation. When you see the Surge Island beer commercial, everybody have a little mean Kentucky thing and thing. You see me? So we go and hear what the people are saying on the street and all about the whole thing.
You don't see policeman there. Big girl, fig way. Cause I bump you see baller.
That a diamond, you see me in the streets and she said, what a girl something bumpy like raisin. I guess that's why Umbre said a rum and raisin.
He never said him right. He wrong because of the rate at Jamaica crime and him supposed to depend on the job and work in there. Him punching for their work. Imagine you clocking for their work. Are you supposed to do your work? Are you get up and do your blood smear? Are you supposed to do your work? They don't think them are going to fire you. It's not the facts them say and not working. Self, if you lose your work, squad, you're going to lose your work. I guess you're not squad where you do wrong now. You should in your uniform, you should have been fling the shot. You see like you fling with the girl pants squad. You should have been just wrist shot of one little corner too.
Here what you know people, this happened in Maypen today. The policeman them get a beating from what day and that one literal. You see me I say, I don't know, it's like this vendor them a try to take them things. I don't know them have some different little rules and things about selling on the streets and them thing. So I don't know police and this vendor in a little situation and I tell you say the vendor angle the cop out way. And then when I even see a next cop come to rescue, so it look like the cop did up on a solo mission. So yes people, so we are watching video and really watch what going on. So you see at this moment I want to realize something. At this moment, you see, this is when the cop reach for him firearm. You see policeman go for him thing, you know. Right, that's how him go for it, you know, you see it. So even though the vendor feel like him have him in there, you realize say cop reach for him thing. And him kind of still overpower the cop right there, so. But watch them moving now. Cop will be like a Superman and swing out of it now. See cop have him thing, you know, watch over the stuff on the screens. You try this one? At the machine that in him hand. So see vendor now. Him pull it now. And right, that's the video cut off, so we don't know. Right, that's how you see it. we don't know what go on after right there, so but I hope say it not really escalate past that. So that go on me pen today. So I'll be a hot topic. You see me? We're there on YouTube and we not stop it. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, you don't know. I'm out.